The awe is as we open up the mind and we take in this expansiveness and this unlimitedness of this reality that we're a part of. It is really so awesome. And just being embodied and feeling the dynamism has a joy to it. There's an aliveness to our dynamism. And then as we open our heart and experience our oneness, we're feeling love. So pick awe, joy, love. These are the way that we experience reality as we open up to it. So each of those can be avenues back to our true nature. It is true nature calling us. They're beacons calling us home. Ride them home.